फर्क होता है खुदा और फकीर में, फर्क होता है किस्मत और लकीर में, फर्क होता है खुदा और फकीर में, फर्क होता है किस्मत और लकीर में। अगर कुछ चाहो और ना मिले तो समझ लेना कि कुछ और अच्छा लिखा है तुम्हारी तकदीर में। Please give a big round of applause. Now I request the Junior Aqua House Captain Happy and Nidhi to come forward for collection of their badges. Please give a big round of applause. वक्त से लड़कर जो नसीब बदल दे, इंसान वही जो अपनी तकदीर बदल दे। कल क्या होगा कभी मत सोचो, क्या पता कल वक्त खुद अपनी तस्वीर बदल दे। So please give a big round of applause. The class fifth representative of class first A is Lisa. Please welcome her by a big round of applause.
Can I go to drink the water?
Lisa, come forward.
Can I go to drink the water?
Many congratulations.
Can I go to drink the water?
The class prefect representative of class first B is Rinky. The class prefect representative of class second is Vidya.
खुश रहिए आप।
And the class prefect representative of class second B is Bhumi. Please give a big round of applause. The class prefect representative of class third is Aradhya. Please give a big round of applause.
इधर देखो।
And class prefect representative of class third B is Uttam. And the class prefect of fourth B is Ayansh. Please give a big round of applause. वो लोग ही चमकते हैं सितारों की तरह, जो गिरकर भी उठते हैं सदीरों की तरह। लक्ष्य को अपना बनाना है अगर, तो रुकना नहीं, चलते रहना है हर सफर। The class prefect representative of class fifth is Naina. Please give a big round of applause. The class prefect of class 6A is Gurmeet Payal. Please big round of applause. seventh is Madhav Chauhan. The class prefect representative of class 8 is Mahi Adhana. And the class prefect representative of grade 1 is Chirag. The class prefect representative of grade 2 is Vedant. The class prefect representative of grade 3rd Tanish. हौसलों के आगे कोई पर्दा नहीं होता, कड़े परिश्रम का कोई विकल्प नहीं होता। दिल में हो जज्बा कुछ कर दिखाने का तो जलते दियों को भी आंधियों का डर नहीं होता। प्लीज गिव अ बिग राउंड ऑफ एप्लॉज। Now I request the head boy master Tanmay and vice head boy master Junaid, please come forward for collection their badges. Leadership is not about titles but about action. Please give a big round of applause. Now I request the head girl Miss Palak Thari and vice head girl Miss Vaishnavi to please come forward for the collection of their badges. Leadership is about serving others, not just oneself. Now I request the sport captain master Ritik and vice sport captain master Yash Thari to come forward for the collection of their badges. I request the sports captain Miss Ilma Chauhan and vice sports captain Mahi Payal to come forward for the collection of their badges. Please welcome them by a big round of applause.
अच्छा बीच वापस नहीं दे रहा है कम फास्ट 2 मिनट
Our leader is know who. Know the way goes the way and shows the way. Please give a big round of applause.
वापस दे दो उधर से नीचे से आजी
Now I request the Ignis House captain Master Saif Ali and Miss Kashish Khari to come forward for the collection of their badges. Please welcome them by a big round of applause.
कौन था ये सर रेटिंग कम होगी अभी क्लास में दिखा नहीं मेरे पास
Please give a big round of applause. Now I request the Terra House Captain Master Shabd Khari and Miss Himani Malik to come forward for collection of their badges. Now I request the Ventus House Captain Master Ayush and Miss Palak to come forward for collection of their badges. Please give a big round of applause.
एक्वा हाउस
Now I request the Aqua House Captain Master Adil and Miss Sanjana to come forward for collection of their badges. Please give a big round of applause.
left now. Done?
Cultural
Cultural
head.
head. Come forward, cultural head.
The cultural head is a vital role responsible for guiding the creative and artistic endeavors of our students, inspiring them to express themselves and uphold the tradition that enrich our school community. Now I request the cultural head Ms. Ishika, Shivani and Nisha for the collection of their badges.
It was? What by me?